Okay, in this video we're going to do numbers 4 and 5, which are kind of similar. In these two macros we will be opening tables as opposed to opening forms and reports like we were doing previously. Number 4, it says England is a popular destination for guests. Write a macro that will open the TBL property table in read-only datasheet mode and filter for properties in England only. Save your macro as MCR England properties. Okay, so I am going to create a new macro. I'll save it, MCR England properties. Okay, and we are going to open a table this time. So I'm going to scroll down to the open table and select that. And now I'm going to select the table that I want to open, which is TBL property, as specified in the instructions. We were also told that it will be open in read-only datasheet view. So the view is datasheet, we'll leave it at that. But for data mode, I'm going to pull this down and select read-only. And that means when the table is open, you can look, but you can't touch. You can't make any changes. It's read-only. All right, so let's think about this for a minute. We were told that we had to filter or search for properties in England only. And you can see, unlike in our previous examples, we don't have a where condition spot. We don't have an ability to add criteria to this particular macro. So this one has got to be set up a little differently than the form and the reports that we were doing earlier. So here's what you have to do. Once the table is open, this will open the table itself. I'll run it real quick just so you can see. Here's the property table open, but it's not filtered yet. You can see all of the countries are showing. We want to whittle this down to England only. So what I have to do is go over here on the right. You see where we have all these actions. And I'm going to drill down here in the filter query search folder. Okay, and then you see that first choice is apply filter. I'm going to drag that and drop it right here where it says add new action. Okay, and now I have my where condition, so I can specify that country equals England. And you know what, before I type the where condition, I'm going to check this original table. Yes, this is the name of the field, country. You want to always check the name of the field that you're going to refer to in square brackets in your criteria to make sure that you type it the right way. Okay, country equals, and this is of course text data, so I have to enclose it in quotes. Alright, let's save this and we'll run it. And there are my three castles, or destinations rather, in England. So the macro is complete. Okay, I'll close that up, and number 5 is similar. France is also a favorite destination. Write a macro that will open the TBL property table in read-only datasheet mode and filter for properties in France. So this is just like the one with England, except we'll just get some additional practice, and we're doing France instead. So I'm going to close that one up, and we'll start a brand new macro. And once again, we're opening a table, and the table in question is TBL property. I asked for datasheet, view, and also read only, so I'm going to pull this down and select read only. Okay, and what's wrong with this picture? I'm not seeing my actions on the right. Okay, not a problem. You see these buttons here? Okay, click Action Catalog, and that'll bring it back. Okay? So I'm going to, once again, it's the filter query search folder that has the filter action, the apply filter action that we're interested in. So I'm going to drill down and apply filter, drag it, drop it right here. Okay, and in this case, the where condition is country equals France. And that'll do it. Let me save this. We'll call it MCR France properties. And let me run it. And there you have it. Only properties that are located in France.